Hey there! In today's video, we're diving into the car maintenance tips that some mechanics might not tell you about, whether it's because it's saving them time or money, or they just don't want you to know. But no worries. I'm here to reveal 10 car maintenance tips that can help you save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and keep your car running smoothly. Let's get into it. The first tip is the don't waste money on additives. For most cars, spending money on those pricey engine, transmission, or fuel additives isn't necessary. Many mechanics might try to sell you on them, but here's the truth. Today's U.S. gasoline already contains all the necessary additives by law, straight from the pump. And when it comes to engine oil, modern oil is packed with top-quality chemicals right from the factory, meaning it lasts longer and provides better protection than oils from years ago. So skip the special potions and just stick to regular oil changes on schedule. The next tip is reset the maintenance required light yourself. Let's talk about that maintenance required light. It's one of those tricks car manufacturers use to get you back into the dealership. These alerts are programmed to show up at specific mileage points, often every 15,000 miles, making you think something major needs attention. But don't stress. As long as you're keeping up with oil changes and regular maintenance, you're in good shape. Save yourself a trip to the dealer and some money by looking up how to turn off the maintenance light for your car model. It's usually a quick and easy reset you can do yourself. The third tip is keep your tires at the right pressure. Most cars need tire pressure between 28 and 36 psi, but to be sure, always check your owner's manual or the sticker inside your driver's door. Check your tires at least once a month. Keeping them properly inflated can boost your gas mileage by up to 3%, meaning more road trips and fewer stops at the pump. Also, remember to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure they wear evenly. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great advice. The next tip is skip the coolant flush. Shady mechanics often push for unnecessary services like coolant and power steering flushes. While they may sound like a good idea, most cars don't need a coolant flush until you hit around 100,000 miles. And that's straight from the manufacturers. Always check your car's manual for fluid change recommendations to avoid paying for services you don't actually need. The fifth tip is replace your air filters regularly. A clogged air filter can negatively impact your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Most air filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you're driving in dusty areas. This simple step will keep your engine running smoothly and improve your car's fuel economy. The next tip is to avoid overfilling the gas tank. It's tempting to squeeze in a little more gas after the pump clicks off, but overfilling can lead to fuel spills and damage your car's vapor recovery system. Overfilling can cause the vapors to escape, wasting fuel and potentially harming your vehicle. To avoid this, stop filling when the nozzle clicks off automatically. That's your cue that the tank is full. The next tip is to use fuel injector cleaner. If you're using lower quality fuel, it's a good idea to clean your fuel injectors every 1,000 to 3,000 miles to prevent clogs and keep your engine running smoothly. For newer vehicles that run on high-quality fuel, a fuel injector cleaner every 7,500 to 15,000 miles should be sufficient. The number 8 tip is car batteries lose life just sitting on the shelf. Car batteries have a limited shelf life. Once they're filled with acid at the factory, their lifespan begins ticking down, even if they aren't used right away. When buying a new battery, always check the date on it and choose one that's less than a month old to ensure you're getting the most value for money. Also, make sure to keep your battery terminals clean to maintain a good connection and prevent power loss. The next tip is to check your belts and hoses. Serpentine belts and hoses play a critical role in your engine's performance. Serpentine belts located at the front of your engine drive important components like the alternator and power steering pump, while hoses transport vital fluids such as coolant and oil throughout the engine bay. Regularly inspect both for cracks, wear, or leaks. The next tip is don't overlook brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid is often forgotten, but it plays a crucial role in your car's safety. Make sure the fluid level is correct and have it replaced every 2 to 3 years. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, which can lead to corrosion in your brake system and reduce the effectiveness of your brakes. A quick check and regular replacement can ensure your brakes remain responsive and reliable, preventing costly repairs and improving road safety.